Are you a medical professional looking to elevate your career to new heights? Imagine yourself not just advancing in your field, but truly revolutionizing the way you engage with critical care. I'm here to introduce you to an extraordinary opportunity. The Medvantage Fellowship in Critical Care, in partnership with one of the world's leading healthcare institutions, the NHS UK. This isn't just any fellowship, it's a beacon of learning and professional growth. Why choose this fellowship? First, our partnership with the NHS UK. With the NHS's globally acclaimed expertise and pioneering medical practices, you gain insights and hands-on experience that are second to none. Imagine learning the nuances of critical care from some of the best in the field, right from the heart of medical innovation. But that's not all. This fellowship is designed not just to teach you, but to transform you. You'll engage in rigorous training, tackle real-world challenges, and apply cutting-edge techniques in some of the most intense medical scenarios. This immersive experience ensures that you not only learn, but also apply your knowledge in ways that truly matter. Furthermore, this fellowship offers a unique blend of theoretical knowledge and practical exposure. You'll have access to workshops, seminars, and one-on-one mentorship sessions, all tailored to help you become a leader in critical care. The skills and knowledge you acquire here will prepare you for leadership roles, not just in India, but on a global scale. So if you're ready to take your career in medicine beyond boundaries, to learn, to lead, and to innovate, Medvantage's Fellowship in Critical Care is where your future begins. Join us, and together, let's redefine the future of healthcare. Unlock your potential.